Kuma thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza yoya matamu mutongoria wa bururi mweri-ini wa kenda mwaka muhituku, mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Noordin Haji ni ateyanirie maciira ma andu matiganite na makiria andu mari utongoria-ini ihinda-ini riri, na undu uyu ni utumite Haji gukorwo akiorotwo ni nginyagia ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi.
A number of whom have since been appointed to executive positions, which raises doubts about the DPP's impartiality.
Na umuthi ari njera-ini ya industrial area guku Nairobi hindi ya kuruguria mubango wigi ohwo wa Malalamishi System, Haji nieteteire na kuuga guteyanirio kwa maciira ni undu uri gatiba-ini angikorwo thutha wa uthuthuria wa ciira o wothe ni kwaga wuira muiganu ungirugamia thitango igoti-ini.
Withdrawals are provided under the Constitution and it is a right. And where there is miscarriage of justice, we must, no matter who that person is in society, whether that person comes from the low or the high and mighty, that withdrawal must be applied if it is justified.
Haji eteteire riri ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi ciambiriirie mutaratara wa kwendekithia Haji eherio ta mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi, na oho makiuga angikahitukio ta murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa ugaceru NIS ta uria endekithitio ni president ni magathie igoti-ini kurugamia kwa muru gwake. Ona kuhana oro uguo, Haji ni aruguririe ikereka ria keri ria ODPP All for Justice hamwe na Malalamishi System, mibango iria wabici yake rongoreirie guteithiriria ohwo hari gucira maciira mao, gutengeria maciira maingi maria makwamite matari mathikiririo na gutwithanio, undu uria guteithiriria hari kunina muhatikano munene uria ukoretwo kuo njera-ini itiganite.
The system consists of two modules: the complaints management and case review management, that allows the public to provide feedback on matters handled by the ODPP, as well as to request for file review of cases pending before court.
Reducing numbers in prisons will see an improvement in our services, especially rehabilitation of prisoners to prepare them for integration upon release.
Tunaomba kesi zisikizwe haraka, watu wenye rimando wapungue.
Haji augite mibango ino iri huthagira internet undu muho angihota kurumirira ciira wake guku ikundi itiganite ikiuga watho wigie thitango itiganite hamwe na iherithia ni undu ubatie kurorokeri kuona kuri na andu mari njera ni undu wa mahitia manini, na uguo hari bata andu aria mari koragwo njera makorwo no aria mabatie gukorwo kuo.
There are offences which today should no longer be in our statute books.
Hari njera 134 guku bururi-ini ibatie gukorwo na ohwo 30,000, na ohwo aria mohetwo ihinda-ini riri ni andu 60,000, undu uria ucungireirie muhatikano munene. Haji akira ohwo maciira mao ni meguthikiririo na ihenya o ta uria kwahoteka niguo aria matari na mahitia manene marekererio.
Preliminary analysis from the files reviewed revealed that robbery with violence constitutes the most prevalent offense at 405 cases, followed by murder at 244 cases and defilement at 204 cases.
Gwitetera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.